How many times have you said, I want a better life? Or I want to be rich, and nothing happened? That's not a real desire. That's just a wish. Today we're breaking down chapter 2 of Napoleon Hill's Think and Grow Rich. The title, Desire, the starting point of all achievement. And I'll give you a 6-step formula you can use today. No fluff. Let's go. Hill makes a brutal distinction. A wish is passive. A real desire is obsessive. It's the kind of desire that makes you ride a freight train to meet Edison with no money, no connections, just pure obsession. That's what Edwin Barnes did. He didn't say, I hope. He said, I will. And you know what? He got his partnership with Edison. Desire is not wanting. Desire is burning the boats. There's no plan B. Here's Napoleon Hill's exact formula. Write this down. Step 1, fix the exact amount of money you want. Not a lot. Not more. Say $200,000 by December 31st, 2 years from now. Specific, measurable. Step 2, state clearly what you will give in return. No free lunch in America. You want $200,000. What skills will you build? What will you sacrifice? Netflix. Weekends. Write it. Step 3, set a definite deadline. Indefinite goals get indefinite results. Period. Step 4, create a concrete plan and start immediately. Imperfect action beats perfect inaction. Step 5, write it all down on a piece of paper, handwritten, not a notes app. Why? Because writing physically changes how your brain commits. Step 6, read that paper aloud twice a day, once before bed, once after waking. And as you read, see yourself already owning that money. Feel it. That's not woo-woo. That's programming your reticulate activating system. Here's the psychology. Your subconscious mind doesn't know the difference between a real experience and one you vividly imagine. When you repeat that desire with emotion, your brain starts filtering opportunities you would have missed before. It's like a GPS. No destination entered equals no route calculated. Most people say, I'd go all in if I had more money, time, confidence. Hill says that's backwards. You don't get desire from conditions. You change conditions with desire. Every entrepreneur who started in a garage, they didn't wait for a better garage. They just started. The desire was bigger than the excuse. Pause this video right now. Get a piece of paper. Write your 6 steps. 1, exact dollar amount plus date. 2, what you give in return. 3, deadline. 4, action plan. 5, handwrite it. 6, commitment to read it twice daily. Don't optimize. Just do it. I'll wait. You back. Good. You just did what 99% of people won't. That's why you'll win. Here's the takeaway. Desire without a plan is just a dream. But desire plus a deadline plus daily action. That's unstoppable. Napoleon Hill spent 20 years researching this. And the first step is always the same. A white-hot, specific, written desire. So my question to you, what's your exact number and your exact date? Drop it in the comments. That's you declaring it to the world. And if you want more practical breakdowns from Think and Grow Rich, hit subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Go get it.